No, really?
Papa, be careful. You can wipe your eyes.
Okay, I'll be careful. Don't worry. I wear my glasses for safety.
Uh-huh.
All right. So this is what I'm doing. Need to change the thermostat housing. The sunlight. Okay, hey baby, sit on the bench here. Come. Sit on the bench comfortably. Here you go. All right. So thermostat housing is cracked. That's where the coolant is leaking. Going to change this. So I'm going to remove this air inlet from both of those places. It's like a duct tape. It's an old truck. It works. So I couldn't find this part easily, so I just duct taped it. It's the air, doesn't take much pressure or something, anything like that. It's good. All right, so this is what we change. Remove first. Take the radiator, take the fan housing or the fan shroud in there. We got to take all these nuts out to bring the radiator out. And the coolant tank, you can make it. Take these two nuts off. The coolant tank will come off as well. And really, you don't have to take it out, but if you want to have more space, you can. Once the air part and radiator and the shroud comes up, you should have enough space to work. After that, what you do, you take the belt off. See the belt? That belt, fan belt off. That's also the engine belt and all that, the big belt. And then underneath there's another belt. You take that off as well by loosening the nuts. You know, this is the nut you loosen. Same thing on the other one, or belt also you loosen the nut. I'll show you another video of doing that. Once you loosen the nut, the belt comes off, and then the fan, you have to remove the fan. Once your fan has 4 nuts, and so that fan comes off, you'll have enough space to work on the thermostat housing. Thermostat housing on a 1998 Nissan Frontier is on the bottom side of the hose. This is the top hose of the radiator, right? This is not there. The bottom side, there's a hose going. So it's the second hose from the top. It's the bottom side of the hose. The bottom part is where the thermostat is. It's not the top hose. So I removed the top hose, and there was no thermostat there. So that's how you know it. All right. Okay.